Bienvenidos! Today we're going to talk about the Spanish adjectives. Just like in English, we use them to describe nouns. The main difference is that in English, the adjectives usually come before the noun. In Spanish, they actually come after the noun. It's also important that they match gender and the plurality of the nouns. Let's take a look at some examples. La mesa grande, the big table. La mesa grande. Grande comes after the noun, mesa. El coche rojo, the red car. El coche rojo. La casa pequeña, the small house. La casa pequeña. But if we use the verb to be, the structure is very much the same as in English. La mesa es grande. The table is big. La mesa es grande. El coche es rojo. The car is red. El coche es rojo. La casa es pequeña. The house is small. La casa es pequeña. And the same structure can be used for the past and future tenses. El chico era bajo. The boy was short. El chico era bajo. Mi hijo será alto. My son will be tall. Mi hijo será alto. Let's take a look at the most common adjectives starting with the colors. White is blanco for a masculine singular noun. Blanco. Blanca for a feminine singular noun. Blancos for masculine plural nouns. And blancas for feminine plural nouns. So you can see we have one adjective in English and it could have 4 versions in Spanish. Black is negro, negra, negros, negras. Red, rojo, roja, rojos, rojas. Blue, azul. And this one's actually the same for feminine. Azul, and plural is azules. Azules for both. Green, verde, verde for feminine as well, and plural is verdes for both. Verdes. Yellow, amarillo, amarilla, amarillos, amarillas. Pink, rosa, rosa for feminine as well, and for plural is rosas, rosas. Orange, naranja for both masculine and feminine singular, and naranjas for plural, naranjas. Purple, morado, morada, morados, moradas. Brown, marrón for both singular, marrones for both plural, marrones. Gray, gris for both singular, grises for both plural. A little trick to create more colors is to add light or dark. Light is claro, claro. Dark is oscuro, oscuro. In Spanish, we have to add light or dark after the color. So light blue becomes azul claro, azul claro. What would dark blue be? Azul oscuro. Very good. And you can mix and match with all of the colors except white or black, of course. Now let's take a look at the most common feelings and emotions. Happy, feliz. Feliz is used for both singulars. Plural is felices, felices. Sad, triste for both singular, tristes for plural. Angry, enojado, enojada, enojados, enojadas. Nervous, nervioso, nerviosa, nerviosos, nerviosas. Bored, aburrido, aburrida, aburridos, aburridas. Scared, asustado, asustada, asustados, asustadas. Depressed, deprimido, deprimida, deprimidos, deprimidas. Sleepy, adormilado, adormilada, adormilados, adormiladas. Tired, cansado, cansada, cansados, cansadas. Hungry, hambriento, hambrienta, hambrientos, hambrientas. Thirsty, sediento, sedienta, sedientos, sedientas. Nice, agradable for both singulars, agradables for both plural. Kind, amable for both singulars, amables for both plural. Beautiful, hermoso, hermosa, hermosos, hermosas. Ugly, feo, fea, feos, feas. Hot, caliente, caliente for both singulars, calientes for both plural. Cold, frío, fría, fríos, frías. Young, joven for both singular, jóvenes for plural. Old, viejo, vieja, viejos, viejas. Bad, malo, mala, malos, malas. Good, bueno, buena, buenos, buenas. Pretty, bonito, bonita, bonitos, bonitas. Clean, limpio, limpia, limpios, limpias. Dirty, sucio, sucia, sucios, sucias. You can create more adjectives by adding muy before them, where muy means very. For example, muy amable, very kind. Muy amable. Muy hambriento. What's muy hambriento? Very hungry. The last set of common adjectives is sizes and quantities. Big is grande for both singulars, and plural would be grandes. Small, pequeño, pequeña, pequeños, pequeñas. Tall, alto, alta, altos, altas. Short, bajo, baja, bajos, bajas. Short in length, corto, corta, cortos, cortas. Fat, gordo, gorda, gordos, gordas. Thin or skinny, delgado, delgada, delgados, delgadas. Some, algún, alguna, algunos, algunas. Many or a lot, mucho, mucha, muchos, muchas. Little or few, poco, poca, pocos, pocas. Little as in size, chico, chica, chicos, chicas. Long, largo, larga, largos, largas. And here you can also use muy to create more adjectives. For example, muy pequeño is very small. Muy grande is very big. I hope you learned something new today. If you would like to continue to practice with more adjectives, go watch this video next with a simple list of adjectives in Spanish. Muchas gracias.